how to make exams easier. Exams are an important part of every student's academic journey. However, many students feel stressed and nervous when exams approach. The good news is that exams can become much easier with proper preparation, good habits, and a positive mindset. Success in exams is not about studying harder all the time. It is about studying smarter and staying consistent. The first step to making exams easier is creating a study plan. Divide your syllabus into smaller sections and study a little every day. Regular study helps you understand topics better and prevents last-minute stress. When students try to learn everything in a few days before the exam, they often feel overwhelmed and forget important information. Another important factor is understanding concepts instead of memorizing facts. When you truly understand a topic, it becomes easier to remember and apply the knowledge during the exam. This is especially important in subjects like mathematics and science, where understanding is more valuable than simple memorization. Regular revision is also essential. Reviewing your lessons frequently helps transfer information into long-term memory. Making short notes, summaries, or flashcards can make revision quicker and more effective before exams. Practicing previous year's question papers is another excellent strategy. It helps students become familiar with the exam format, question styles, and time management. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel on exam day. Good health plays a major role in academic performance. Students should get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, and stay hydrated. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, making it easier to concentrate and retain information. Lack of sleep can reduce focus and make studying less effective. Maintaining a positive attitude is equally important. Many students worry too much about failure, which can increase anxiety and reduce confidence. Instead, focus on your preparation and believe in your abilities. Confidence can significantly improve performance during exams. During the exam, read all instructions carefully and manage your time wisely. Start with questions you know well to build confidence. Stay calm, think clearly, and avoid spending too much time on a single question. If you get stuck, move on and return to it later. Finally, remember that exams are not just tests of memory. They are opportunities to demonstrate what you have learned. Consistent study, regular revision, practice, healthy habits, and self-confidence can make exams much easier and less stressful. In conclusion, exams become easier when students prepare systematically, stay organized, and maintain a positive mindset. With dedication and smart study techniques, every student can improve their performance and achieve success.